Hi guys, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today in this video we're gonna do sweater nails. Yay, winter is finally here and I love winter season. So I thought the first winter nails must be sweater nails. Last year I already did like sweater nails, but I didn't like the way they turned out. So this year I thought let's try it again. So make sure to like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video with your family and friends. Now enjoy the video.
Left and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Done. I am not a huge fan of this nail set, but this is not bad. Yeah, this is not bad, but I'm not a huge fan again. So gonna try this again in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to like my YouTube videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.